Hey guys, what's up? My name is Vishal and you are watching Tech CVR. So today I will show you how to make this browser in Makeroid. To understand everything, watch this video till the end, and I will also share the AIA file with everyone who are watching this video. So first of all, before I start this video, I would like to thank everyone who have waited for this video and subscribed to this channel. Now in this project I actually completed 25% of the work, so you don't have to do those boring designing part and other stuff. Mostly design I have completed. I have created 3 screens. Screen 1 is used for landing page and it also loads website when you click any link or search. Screen 2 will use to open website links and download files from web. And screen 3 is for history. History is not developed yet, only designing is part is ready. On screen 1, first you'll see a search bar with Google voice search. Then below that, all the useful links which is divided in different categories like top sites, utility, recharge, etc. And then you will see a menu option with 4 buttons, which is back, forward, home and menu. Back and forward is currently disabled now because back and forward from screen 1 is not working. I will add back and forward feature to go from screen 1 to screen 2 and respectively in the future videos. When you click on the menu button, it will show you a bottom sheet menu which contains some other options like night mode, full screen mode, download, history, view website source code and some other options. Right now only download menu is working. When you click on the download menu, it will open the download folder. Other options are in development mode right now and it will be available in the future videos. Now let's go and see what I did in the block section. First we will see which block is used for search bar. So as you can see here, I have used an extension called Typhon text box. I set the search bar text box with the Typhon text box extension. Now when I press enter button on the keyboard, it will check if the search box is empty or not. If it is, it will show an alert message like please enter a valid URL. Or if the search box is not empty, then it will check again if the search box contains any HTTP or HTTPS. If it does, then it will redirect to screen 2 and close the screen 1. And if the search box doesn't contain any HTTPS, then it will redirect the text to screen 2 as a Google search by replacing space with plus character. And now after that, we will see how Google voice search works. It is also the same process. When speech recognizer gets any text, then it will redirect that text to screen 2 as a Google search. Then next part is all the links from screen 1. It is very simple and easy to understand. As you can see here, when any card view is clicked on screen 1, then the web viewer will load that specific card URL in screen 2. And at the same time, it closed the screen 1 to prevent auto app start error when you exit the app. After that, the most important and difficult part to understand is the download blocks in screen 2. If I have to tell you in short and easy way, then for example, each time when web viewer on screen 2 loads any link, then it will check the file extension, and if the loaded URL contain the extension, then the download component will be used by using current URL as the download URL. So this is the final work I have done so far. To download this project AIA file, just click on the download link in the description below. If you want me to add some other options in this project, then do let me know in the comment section. If you have any questions, then post your question in the comment section below. So this is it. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, then hit the like button and subscribe for more future videos. I will see you on the next video.